Amazon has just announced that HTML, the code that allows us to make our product descriptions on our product details page look good, is disappearing. Now, that is going to be a complete pain in the arse. If you are not brand registered, that's a massive, massive pain in the butt for you. But what should you be doing instead? Well, I'm going to show you in this video. But before I get into that, if you like this kind of content where I talk about how you can build your own 5, 6, 7-figure Amazon business from right here in Australia, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a little like. It really, really helps with the YouTube algorithm. It would mean the world to me. All right, let's get into it. Basically, it's this. Come the 27th of June, so just under a month's time, if you are selling on Amazon in Australia and you do not have brand registry or A+ content enabled on your listing, then all of your HTML tags are going to get removed from your product description, which will suck, especially if you just leave them there and don't remove them yourself, because what is likely to happen is Amazon will just delete all HTML code without a care as to how that leaves your own text on your product, okay? So here's an example of that. This is Australia for a teddy bear fleece quilt doona, which I suspect is probably selling quite well this time of year. Anyway, so that bold there, that's going to go. Okay, these bullet points here, that's going to go. You won't be able to do bullet points anymore. I believe they're going to keep in, let's just see if we can find one. So that from there to there is called, the tag for that is called a BR tag, and it just means it goes onto a new line versus that becomes a new paragraph. You can see the gap between features and material. Well, that's a new paragraph, that's disappearing, but this new line where it just sends it onto a new line, that's staying, okay? But everything else is going. So if you're using that, you should definitely update it. Why have I got that open? I don't know. Anyway, you should definitely update it. That's a public service announcement from Rosie. I thought it was a really good PSA as well. That also applies for everything. So it doesn't matter if you've got like a GTIN exemption, it doesn't matter what you've got, it doesn't matter if you're selling in any categories, HTML's going. The reason it's going, they don't want you to sell on Amazon if you don't have brand registry. So they're pushing and getting rid of all of the assumed benefits that we had, being the operative word, past tense, without having brand registry. They're just getting rid of them. So it becomes a complete, like to compete on Amazon, you will have to have brand registry. That's where they're trying to take it to, okay? There are ways that you can get what's called A+ content on your listing without having brand registry. But that is a little bit more advanced. It's the sort of shit I cover in my inner circle. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session where myself and the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, we all get online and they ask me questions and I answer them for them, and I do that all live, and then I take that and post it onto my YouTube channel. So if you've enjoyed that video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every single day. And if you want to find out more about joining the Aussie online entrepreneurs, over 2,000 members and growing, we're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, and our members have made sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time. Bye.